Hi guys, Fred's in here at Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 Heartland Sundance 3700 RLS. When you come in here, you got a nice slide with a lot of natural daylight with a U-shaped dinette, stadium seating that reclines. Come on into the back and you got a nice private room for the kids. You got a bunk with a TV, plenty of storage, storage underneath. Then you got another bunk up top. And then you got another sofa that'll make into another bed with more storage. Then you have a little storage in here. And then this unit has 2 bathrooms with an exit out the back. Come up to the front of the coach. I'm going to show you the rest of the kitchen. You got a nice island here with a double sink with a residential faucet. You got a computer stand with plenty of storage above. And storage below. You got a 3-burner stove, oven for pizzas, and a nice microwave. Got a nice pantry. And then you got a double door refrigerator freezer combo. Come on up front, I'll show you the bedroom. When you come into the bedroom, you got a king-size slide. And then you have plenty of storage for clothes with washer and dryer hookups. A 4-drawer, full extension for clothes. And then we're going to go in here to the bathroom. Got Jack and Jill doors, so you got an entrance and an exit. You got a nice side shower with a glass shower enclosure, storage for your towels, washcloths, and then you have a nice vanity with storage underneath the sink, and then a nice medicine cabinet as well. This unit is for young families with a bunch of kids. You got a nice outside kitchen, refrigerator with a sink, storage for cups, plates, etc. Come around the back side. There's not a lot of room back here. Rear exit. Come over here, you got a full pass-through. Here's your valves for your waste tanks. You got your city water hookup, storage for chairs, tables. On this side we have a 7.5 gallon propane tank, and we have another one on the other side. And then under here you got your tanks for your central vac system and storage as well. Guys, if you want more information on this Heartland Sundance 3700 RLS, please give me a call. My name's Fred Zent. My number is 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.